The St. Elizabeth police are probing a triple shooting in Top Hill this morning that left one man dead. The deceased has been identified as 24-year-old Danique Malcolm, otherwise called Rashawn, of Barracks Road, Savannah Lamar in Westmoreland. Two other men were wounded in the attack. Police say the wounded men were being treated at hospital but checked themselves out before police arrived. It's reported that all three men traveled in a grey Nissan motorcar to a bar where they were attacked. The shooting sent several patrons scampering. It happened about 12:30. Police believe the men were trailed to the location. Police sources say the men are all from Westmoreland and are wanted for various crimes.